Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'll be replacing the hood. This is Maxima I brought from auction. The hood was damaged, and I just went up and picked up my new hood. It's right there. So we're gonna go on to swapping it. So all you're gonna need is like a flat head and a 14 mil. All right, so this hinge is twisted. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna pull this off, go like this, and then twist off. You're gonna set that to the side, and then my new hood. I'm not sure if they realized, but they gave me a brand new hinge on one side, which happens to be the same hinge I had to replace. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this 10 mil bolt, then the 10 mil bolt right there, just so we could gain access to these two bolts right here. Well, we might not have to remove that one. We'll see. Alright, so all I had to do was remove this bolt. I didn't have to remove the one down there. So it gives me enough room to remove these two. Alright, this one go in the garbage. Now we're going to put the new one in. I set you on the tripod. Alright, now that we got everything bolted back on, close the hood. So I am going to have to replace the driver's side hood hinge. This one's a brand new one. So that one is definitely bent, but it's not too bad. That's it for this video. Stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.